Namaste. So today's topic in pharmaceutical organic chemistry is chlorobutanol. It is white or almost white crystalline powder. Chemical property: it is volatile, colorless or white crystals with a musty camphorous odor. It is used in plasticides for cellulose, ester and ether. Preservative for biological fuels and solution, antimicrobial agent, and also used as anesthetic in dentistry. Product method: its production method is chlorobutanol is prepared by condensing acetone and chloroform in the presence of solid potassium hydroxide. Next are pharmaceutical application. Chlorobutanol is primarily used in ophthalmic or parenteral dose form as an antimicrobial preservative, and its concentration of preservative is 0.5% weight by volume. It is commonly used as an antibacterial agent for epinephrine solution, posterior pituitary extract solution, and ophthalmic preparation intended for the treatment of miosis. It is especially useful as an antibacterial agent in non-aqueous formulation. Chlorobutanol is also used as a preservative in cosmetic. As I told, it is also used as plasticizer for cellulose, ester, ether, and also used in the therapy as a mild sedative and local analgesic in dentistry. So dentists are use this chlorobutanol as a anesthesia and sedative. Next is cetosterol alcohol. This alcohol is mixture of fatty alcohols consisting predominantly of cetyl and sterol alcohol and is classified as a fatty alcohol. It is made by combining fatty alcohol from vegetable source such as coconut alcohol. It is used as an emulsion, stabilizer, opacifying agent, and form boosting surfactant, as well as an aqueous and non-aqueous viscosity increasing agent. It impacts an emollient feel to the skin and can be used in water in oil type emulsion, oil in water type emulsion, and an hydrogel formulation. It is commonly used in hair conditioners or other hair products. It is used often in medicine as emollient, thickening agent, moisturizer, emulsifier, stabilizer, opacifier. Its melting point, it has a melting point of 122 degree Fahrenheit, means 50 degrees Celsius, and boiling point is 249 degrees Celsius. Next is glycerol. Glycerol is a trihydroxy sugar alcohol with 3 carbon atoms and 3 hydroxyl group. The presence of multiple hydroxyl group and carbon atom make it an organic polyol compound with the IUPAC name 1,2,3 propanetriol. The structure of glycerol can be given here. You can see. Next is glycerol is seen in biological system as an ingredient in carbohydrate and lipid metabolism because sulfur carbohydrate can be converted into long chain fatty acid and is esterified with the 3 hydroxyl group. Glycerol can influence immune reaction in the body through histamine, increase antibody production, and by enhancing immune cell activity, and is therefore classified as an allergen. So it is also classified as an allergen. In the blood, glycerol can increase blood pressure by attracting the water from tissue into plasma and lymph. In nephron, glycerol can increase urine volume by preventing water reabsorption. Pure glycerol has a melting point of 17.8 degrees Celsius. Its boiling point is 290 degrees Celsius, but it also decomposes at the room temperature. The presence of three hydroxyl groups make the compound hygroscopic with a tendency to absorb moisture from the air. This also makes it useful as a humectant in cosmetic and food, retaining water and preventing the substance from drying out. Glycerol is easily soluble in water due to the ability of the polyol group to form hydrogen bond with the water molecule. Glycerol is slightly dense than water with a specific gravity of 1.26. This means that when glycerol is poured into a container of water, it will shrink to the bottom. So it shrinks to the bottom. However, due to its solubility over the time and with mild agitation, glycerol will form an aqueous solution. Glycerol can use mild irritation to the eyes, means it can cause mild irritation to the eyes, nose, lung and the skin, particularly due to hygroscopic nature. Skin and other internal organ can get dried out when pure glycerol come into contact with this moist tissue. Since the molecule can bind to water, the same property that makes glycerol a good humectant. So it is also used as a good humectant. It is used in lotion, cream and gel and prevent these skin applications from drying out quickly. Next is glycerol is used in the number of industrial application in the pharmaceutical industry, means in cosmetic, personal care product. As I told you, it is also used in resins, detergent, plastic and tobacco. It is used in the commercial important chemical begin with its application in the production of dynamite. Dynamite was necessary in the discovery and extraction of underground minerals and in the construction of infrastructure. So glycerol is mainly used in cosmetic and food. Glycerol is used in the cosmetic industry as a moisture control reagent, and hence the texture of the lotion and cream will improve due to glycerol. Glycerol ability to regain moisture and its emollient property make it an attractive ingredient in many moisturizing formulation. So in food, glycerol, from its ability to form intermolecular hydrogen bond, especially with the water molecule, this increases the water content in preserved food. So it do not compromise in the shelf life of the product and enhance the viscosity and texture. It is low toxic and do not have and disagreeable odor or flavor, so we can easily use it as emulsifier. So here we have completed the glycerol. Glycerol is also used in suppositories, in laxatives. So for any query, you can you can send a message or comment here. Thank you.